Hi, year ones. So it is Friday, getting ready for your spelling test. But before we do, I've left you clues Monday to Thursday. Which part of the world have I been in all week? Does anyone have a go? Did anyone guess it? Well, I've been in Austria, where this movie called The Sound of Music was filmed. So that was all the little clues I left you because it's one of my favourite movies, and I have been in Austria. So back to Melbourne now for your spelling test. Make sure you have the date on, please. Neat writing. Watch the Y's today. Okay, first word, key. I use a key to open the door. Key. Second word, money. We need money to buy things. Money. Third word, honey. Honey makes things sweet. Honey. Fourth word, monkey. A monkey lives in a tree. Monkey. And fifth word, turkey. We eat turkey at Christmas. Turkey. Let's just go over those first 5 words now. Number 1, key. Number 2, money. Number 3, honey. Number 4, monkey. Number 5, turkey. All right, 6 to 10 now. Number 6, pricey, which means expensive. Pricey. And number 7, donkey. Mary rode on a donkey to Bethlehem. Donkey. And number 8, 9, and 10 are from your 100 most used words. So number 8, said. Mum said to stay inside. Said. Number 9, again. Let's do this again. And lucky last, here. Come and stand here. So let's do 6 to 10 again. Number 6, pricey. Number 7, donkey. Number 8, said. Number 9, again. Number 10, here. So you can pause it, have a look at your words, use your eyes. Do they look right? Make any corrections you need to make without rubbing out, and then upload to Seesaw.